Coconut oil uses and source. Uses: protect your skin from UV rays, increase your metabolism, cook safely at high temperatures, improve your dental health, relieve skin irritation and eczema, improve brain function, make healthy mayonnaise, moisturize your skin, may help fight infections, may reduce belly fat, protect your hair from damage. Nutiva Organic Coconut Oil Review. Description: Nurture vitality. Organic superfood. 100% less cholesterol than butter. USDA Organic. Non-GMO Project Verified, vegan. 0 grams trans fat. Non-BPA Container. No Hexane. Non-Hydrogenated. 62% MCTs. Certified organic by QAI and Ecocert ICO. Suggested use: versatile, ideal as a medium heat cooking oil, up to 350 F, and is better than butter on bread, vegetables or popcorn. A nutritious substitute in baking, and great for skin care, hair care and massage. Other ingredients: organic, unrefined, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. Bottled in a facility that packs peanut oil. Warnings: storage, no refrigeration required. Solid at room temperature and melts at 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Note: any brown specks present are natural to coconut. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.